In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Contact Us page in Google Sites. We'll go through the process from inside your existing site, and by the end, you'll have a simple page where visitors can find the best way to contact you or your organization. This is a useful page to include on almost any website because it gives people a clear next step if they want to reach out. To get started, open your Google site and make sure you're in editing mode. Once you're on your site, look over to the right-hand side of the editor and click on the Pages tab. This is where you manage the structure of your website and create new pages. After opening the Pages section, click the plus icon at the bottom to add a new page. This will let you create a separate page specifically for contact details instead of adding that information somewhere else on the site. Keeping it on its own page usually makes your site easier to navigate and looks more professional. When the page name field appears, type in the name for your page. A common choice is Contact Us, since it's familiar and easy for visitors to understand right away. Choose a title that clearly tells people what they'll find on the page. Once you've entered the page name, confirm it so the new page is added to your site. Now that the page has been created, switch to the Insert tab in the right-hand panel. This is where you can add content elements to the page, such as text, images, buttons, and more. For this walkthrough, we're focusing on a simple text-based contact page, which is quick to create and easy to maintain. From the Insert panel, click Text Box. A text area will appear on the page, and this is where you can enter your contact information. Add the detail you want visitors to use, such as a general business email address, office address, business hours, or other public contact details that are appropriate for your site. Keep the information organized and easy to scan so visitors can quickly find what they need. As a helpful tip, try separating each piece of information onto its own line. That makes the page cleaner and easier to read. You can also keep the wording simple. For example, by labeling sections clearly with terms like email, address, or hours. Once your text is in place, take a moment to review the page layout and make sure everything looks clear and professional. And that's it. You've successfully created a Contact Us page in Google Sites.